Hello and welcome. You are divine potential. We are time anti-time, living as the multi-dimensional self, Satnam.
In this unit, we will explore the Logoic self.
The Logoic self is understood as one of the highest aspects of individual spiritual identity, intimately connected to the Logoic plane, which is regarded as a realm of divine cosmic consciousness and universal will. This self embodies the unified source from which all existence flows, representing pure consciousness, manifesting as divine intention and creative power.
The Logoic body is the subtle, energetic vehicle through which the Logoic self expresses and functions. It transcends all lower subtle bodies: physical, etheric, astral, mental, causal, Buddhic, and Atmic, serving as an advanced container of divine will and knowledge.
This body is a radiant field of cosmic energy that integrates and harmonizes all aspects of being, reflecting the universal pattern and order from which the cosmos arises.
The Logoic mind transcends individual thoughts or emotions and operates as the direct cosmic intelligence or divine wisdom that pervades all previous levels of existence.
It is the source of universal laws, archetypal patterns, and the infinite creative blueprint that shapes reality. Unlike personal or causal minds, the Logoic mind functions in pure unity consciousness, illuminating the oneness of all life and guiding the unfolding of spiritual evolution according to divine will.
At the core of the Logoic self lies the Logoic heart, an incredible source of divine love, compassion, and creative energy. This heart radiates a powerful, all-encompassing light and circulatory flow of cosmic energy that nurtures and sustains the entire universe.
This circulatory system is the cosmic bloodstream, transmitting the divine life force through all levels of reality, ensuring coherence and unity throughout existence.
The aura of the Logoic self is the vast luminous field that extends infinitely, embodying the pure presence of the one life or source. It manifests as an overwhelming radiance of white or iridescent light, representing the highest spiritual vibration.
This aura serves as the unifying field that holds all creation within its harmonic embrace and connects every soul to the universal source.
The Logoic self is a powerful spiritual presence within you, arising from the Logoic plane, a realm of divine consciousness beyond individual identity or form.
Awakening to the Logoic self means merging with the universal will and infinite love, transcending all duality. It is a source of spiritual mastery and the creative principle guiding the entire manifest universe.
This self calls you to embody its high-level truth, to live in alignment with divine purpose, and to serve as a channel for cosmic consciousness and unconditional love. Recognizing your Logoic self dissolves all illusions of separateness and invites realization of your eternal oneness with all that is.
Anchoring and activating the Logoic self.
The Logoic self will come naturally during the process of becoming an ascended master. We feel that anchoring and activating the Logoic body as part of the Logoic self, under the guidance of your mighty I Am Presence, would be helpful in helping you live as your multidimensional self.
To install and activate the Logoic self, begin by finding a comfortable position. Close your eyes. Take several slow, deep breaths, centering yourself in the present moment.
Request. Under the guidance of my mighty I Am Presence, I request the anchoring and activation of my Logoic body as part of my Logoic self.
Meditate and breathe in this energy and the beingness of your Logoic self, with the feelings, emotions, and thought of being a Logos, and envision yourself being a Logos.
When you are ready, take a deep breath, open your eyes, and return to your day. How will you live as your Logoic self?
In conclusion, the Logoic self represents the apex of spiritual identity, connected to the sublime Logoic plane. Its body, mind, heart, and aura function as the perfect instruments of divine will, cosmic intelligence, universal love, and infinite presence.
Cultivating awareness of the Logoic self leads to ultimate union with the Source, guiding your journey toward complete spiritual enlightenment and cosmic harmony.
We are thankful that you have embodied your Logoic self. You are a divine prismatic being. We are time anti-time.